Hi guys, this is Ravi. Well, this time around I'm doing a Malayalam movie trailer reaction and the movie's name is Puli Murugan. Well, I've been waiting for this trailer for very long. The movie stars none other than Malayalam superstar Mohanlal sir. Well, I just would like to make a small mention about this. A long time back when I did one of the Malayalam movie trailer reactions, I don't remember the exact movie name, uh, but I got to know that Mohanlal sir has done close to 25 plus movies in a single year. I mean that's a record in itself, right? I am really not sure about any other superstar across any other movie industry who makes so many movies in quick span, right? Of course, Malayalam movie industry in general has got lesser amount of budgets per movie. Generally, I'm not saying that all the movies are made on a lower budget, but then relatively, when you compare with another movie industries, they do not spend so much of money with foreign shoots and all, right? They do spend, but in general, when you take the relative comparisons of budgets, it's a little less. But coming up with movies in such short span of time is also highly not possible in any other industry. You take any superstar from any movie industry, they generally will not be interested in working throughout the year. They generally take quick vacations, right? But I haven't seen such kind of shots from either Mammootty or Mohanlal sir. They are generally working throughout the year, right? That is what I got to know after watching lots and lots of trailers and studying about them in the Wikipedia and checking their filmography and all. They just release so many movies in a single calendar year, man. Uh, that's highly appreciable. I personally know of so many movies that they have worked this year itself. Puli Murugan, Janta Garage, Manamanta, which is Vismayam, and then Oppam. So I only know of four, close to four movies. So as always, let's watch the trailer and I'll talk more about it. Wow. Kamlini Mukherjee. Wow, man. Breathtaking visuals. Nice music. That was unexpected. Wow. Hats off. I should. This is the only word that I get in my mind for the kind of story selection that Mohanlal sir has been doing. If you see Oppam, he's a blind man, right? If you see Manamanta, he played a typical middle class man. And then if you see Janta Garage, he's a respected person in the society, right? If you see here, this is completely different, man. The kind of roles that he's picking up, that shows a lot of transition. Okay, when it comes to this trailer, like I said in the teaser reaction, I was really excited when I saw the visuals, and the visuals are equally breathtaking even even in the trailer as well. The trailer has got so many drone shots, so many dark shots which are in the forest, right? And now there are some waterfall related sequences as well. Uh, the director must have put in lots and lots of thoughts during the storyboard itself. These kinds of movies, if they even release their storyboards are basically those things where you have sketches that okay, my scene needs to look like this. So that can give us so much thought about how filmmaking process is done, right? It looks like lots and lots of effort has been put in before the movie was taken onto the sets. That pre-production work. Um, the trailer, like it said, he's a wild hunter, right? He's someone who's protecting the tribals from the tigers, I believe. That's what the story is about. And he's just excellent, man. He's just excellent. With the age, you told to maintain that kind of fitness is also very difficult. I cannot run close to 1 kilometer at a stretch. Because of the body fitness and all. Cinematography is very good. I personally loved the way they have used the shots. Scenic beauty is very well captured, and the actors are very aggressive. Looks like this has got lots and lots of action sequences. It's not so straightforward comedy kind of a formulaic movie. It's something which has got lots of action plus so much of intense drama. I believe that's what it is about, and purely shot in natural locations. Not much of the sets is what I'm assuming. Because water looks very authentic, that waterfall sequence. And if you remember that shot where the lady was falling down, probably when the branch was cut, that is what is happening. If you compare it with Ravan, in Ravan, Aishwarya falls down from the cliff of the mountain, right? She just falls down into the water. uh, in that Behne De song, looking at the scenes, looking at the dense forest shots and all, it just reminded me of Ravan. Overall, I really liked it, and I'm really excited about the movie as well. So that's more about it. Have a nice day. Thank you.